Wait a minute. Let's wait for Michael. Good afternoon. You can say good afternoon, classmates, if you like. Okay. Ready? Begin.
Good afternoon, classmate. I'm here to tell you one of the most invention of all time, and that is digital camera.
Wait a minute, people. One again. Ready? Begin.
Good afternoon, classmate.
And by the way, excuse me, don't.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to tell you one of the greatest invention of all time, and that is digital camera. I tell you the advantage of digital camera, how it are like very convenient. Before I tell you the history or the story of digital camera, um, I remember when I was 7 years old. It's my birthday, and my mother take pictures, and then I want to see it soon, but she don't have time to go in the Kodak to develop. It takes 1 week, so that's why I choose digital camera. Then a digital camera doesn't require a roll film, which means you don't have to buy film or drive to the store and wait for it to develop. And you won't have, or it won't cost money. Uh, you can take a lot more photos with a digital camera and print out only the one you like. And the number of picture you can take with a film camera is limited for the number of exposure allowed on the film. And it is not time consuming because one have to wait for a long time. One have to wait for a long time. The resolution of digital camera is now high enough to take very high quality photos. And digital camera has the advantage of quick and smooth. It allows us to preview the photo after we took them. And if we don't like it, you can easily delete it or retake it to picture. And by the way, the Steven Sasson was was created the digital camera. Digital camera was invented on 1975, where a Kodak engineering Steven Sasson borrowed same technology from NASA and Bing Casby to take the first digital camera. But it was decades before digital camera was on the market for on the market. Guys, also today, the digital camera digital camera enable us to take hundreds or even thousands of pictures by simply an inexpensive add on memory card. And you can print your photo by yourself. Either you print it on an inexpensive ink like jet printer, or a dedicated printer. If you have if you if you would choose, what did you want to choose? The digital camera or the ordinary camera with the roll film? speaking your name, answering the question in your name. And like what I said, the purpose of digital camera to make it easier on us taking picture and makes our life convenient. Digital camera was invented so that it can be used